Hi, what's up guys, it's Steph from Steph Lee Films. Today what we have in front of me is the latest offering from blackmagicdesign, and it's their latest ATEM model, the ATEM Mini Pro, which was just officially announced last week. Thanks to the guys from Ellen Photo, who are official resellers of blackmagicdesign equipment in Singapore. I've got this delivered today, and in this video, I will do an official unboxing and first look of this new equipment from blackmagicdesign. Live streaming is the next big thing, and here at Steph Lee Films, we are always looking to upgrade our existing equipment to increase production and to make sure our clients get the best delivered product as best as we can. So I was just about to make a purchase on the ATEM Mini when blackmagicdesign announced last week that they're coming out with a Pro version of the ATEM Mini. So what is the ATEM Mini or Mini Pro? It is an all-in-one switcher, capture card and control panel based design in one single unit. The blackmagicdesign line of ATEM products deals in live streaming and switching for broadcasts. It is a switcher that takes in up to 4 inputs from multiple sources such as video cams or webcams and broadcasts them via one single HDMI output. I'm so glad the announcement came out before I made the purchase on the ATEM Mini, because when they announced the new features on the ATEM Mini Pro, it absolutely blew me away. So in this video, I'll talk about 3 big upgrades of the ATEM Mini Pro which specifically appeal to me and how it can increase my production efficiency. But you can find out more in detail what are other upgrades as well as their technical specifications in the links I will provide below. Just for the record, the ATEM Mini costs $425 and the Mini Pro costs $845. The difference is $400, but are the upgrades worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. So without further ado, let's dive right into the official unboxing of the ATEM Mini Pro. Now that we have officially unboxed the ATEM Mini Pro, let me talk about the 3 big upgrades of this model. First up, the biggest feature of this Pro model is the built-in hardware streaming engine. Live streaming requires a lot of power and puts a lot of strain on your computer, and therefore you usually need a very powerful computer to handle live streaming properly. The ATEM Mini Pro has a built-in hardware streaming engine to relieve this stress on your computer. Streaming software has a lot of complex settings, and the ATEM Mini Pro makes this a much simpler process. No extra software is needed to run the program, and this means less dropped frames and smoother streaming, and increased production quality. The second upgrade of the Pro version is now you can record all of your streams directly from the ATEM Mini Pro through the USB port. This is wonderful because if during your live streaming event and your internet has some problems and it is not streaming properly, the recorder is still recording the event and you will still have a good backup copy of the event stream just in case you want to upload it somewhere later for future viewing. Many times when we do live streaming, our clients require a copy of the event as well. We had to run a separate software to record this video, but now you can just do it directly from the ATEM Mini Pro. The third upgrade is the new True Multi-View option. Multi-View shows you the entire overview of your production setup and the status information of all your cameras and the microphone. It also indicates how long the stream has been running and the status of your recording and more. If you connect one HDMI port to your computer, you can even add in slideshows to make your live streaming presentation more professional looking. So there you have it, a quick review of the ATEM Mini Pro and how it can greatly improve your live streaming production quality and efficiency. I hope you have learned something about live streaming and how the ATEM Mini Pro will be an important piece of equipment in your inventory. Do keep a lookout for more videos on our channel if you want to learn more about photography or videography. Remember to subscribe, and please, if you have any questions, let me know.